Hey guys, it's Smashley. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time. And if it's your first time, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. For today's video, okay, February is right around the corner, and if you guys are anything like me, this is the time of year every year where we start to gravitate towards pink. And I've had this like white sweatsuit in my stash for a really long time, and I knew I wanted to tie-dye it and really wasn't sure what color, so I kind of put it away and we saved it for another day. And I don't know, kind of just came up with the idea this week, and I was like, you know what? As you guys might have guessed, I chose to do pink. So today, for today's video, we're gonna be doing a pink and white sweatsuit. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything in front of me and show you guys how we set that up. Now, step number one with any tie-dye project really is gonna be to dampen your clothes. So I have that already set up in front of me. You wanna wring it out pretty good when you wet it. You don't want it to be dripping or anything like that, but pretty damp. So they should be a little heavy, but if you wring it out right now, not much water is gonna come out. So that's what we're going for. The type of tie-dye, and I can't remember if I mentioned in another video, but there are certain tie-dye techniques that you can do. For today's video, I kind of want to go with more of like an abstract, cloud-like tie-dye technique. I say that now, but if it doesn't come out exactly like I have in my head, there's really no wrong way to do tie-dye in my eyes. So I think either way it's going to come out pretty cute. I'm going to set this here. And so step two, after dampening, you want to start preparing your garment with whatever tie-dye style technique you want to do. And we're going to secure that with some rubber bands. So just going to lay this out. I kind of want to start from the bottom up. I'm going to be grabbing in like loose bunches. There's really no rhyme or reason to this. And then I'm kind of going to fold that in half. So I have the middle section of the crew neck done. And then we're gonna kind of do that same thing with the arms. So let's get our rubber bandage going. And for the rubber bands, I'm not gonna be doing those in any particular pattern today anyway. I'm just, now that I kind of have this scrunched up how I think I want it, I'm just gonna secure it in place with the rubber bands. Actually, that's about good. All right, set the crew there. We're gonna grab the sweatpants, and I'm kind of gonna do same exact thing, kind of just bunch it all up. Oh, there's a pocket on these. That'll be cute. I don't know, I never actually looked at these, but I have a pocket on the back of the sweatpants. That's gonna be really cute. That's about good. So once you have everything kind of tied up with your rubber bands, ready to go. Now the next thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna take these one garment at a time. So I'm gonna do the crew first, we'll do the pants separately. And I'll link the Rit Dye that I ended up using for this one. I wanted something that had a little bit more pigment, and sometimes the dye and like the tie-dye packs are just a little bit too, I don't know, the color kind of washes away a lot, in my opinion. So this is gonna be pretty potent for us. I'll link it for you guys below. I need to grab some gloves, so let me do that first. All right, gloves are on, highly recommend. Don't stain your hands or your nails, that's nasty. Okay, dye in here. I'm gonna go ahead and just shake this up. I'm gonna open up the little top. And then we're gonna be pretty generous on the pour on here, just because we have a lot of the material bunched up underneath. I don't want it to come out too white, so I want it to be covered pretty good in pink. So here we go. I really love this pink color. It's almost like a little muted, which you don't get either with like those pre-canned tie-dye kits. So I really like the Rit Dye stuff too. All right, we'll do the back. I'm definitely gonna need another one. I wonder if this is gonna become my new favorite sweatsuit. I have a lot of like two-piece sets. Those are just my favorite things to wear. Yeah, I live in Florida, I get it, but I still love myself a good sweatsuit. So we did about one full bottle for the top. I actually kind of want a little bit more, so I'm gonna use some of this dye that fell at the bottom. Kind of just get that part right there. How's it looking? I want you guys to see this color up front. It's so pretty. Okay. Went ahead and just made some more pink dye. I'm gonna go ahead and put the crew neck in the bag. And we're just gonna let these sit overnight so the dye can like really get in there. All right, time for the pants. And same situation, you wanna apply very generously. Okay. I'll show you guys the pants up close as well. So I probably could have put a little bit more on here, but again, I'm going for more of that like cloud tie-dye, so I didn't really care too much to like super saturate it, but I think a bottle for the top and the bottom is good. So as I mentioned, I'm gonna let them sit overnight. On tomorrow, I will probably end up throwing it in the washer just for like a quick rinse in the dryer, and then I will come back and show you guys the final reveal and how it came out. And I hope it comes out super cute. All right, you guys, here's how it came out. Take a look, take a look. Yes, I also did end up getting a haircut for the first time when I was filming this. It's been a few days. Anyway, I absolutely love how this came out. I feel like this is giving me all of the pink bubblegum dreams coming to life. So a couple things I wanted to know. I told you guys that, you know, we ended up putting it in the washer and in the dryer. I will say, because the pink dye was super potent, after we pulled it out of the washer, it was all pink. So all of the white parts were a little bit too pink. We can probably insert a picture so you guys can see what I'm talking about. All we did was put it back into the washer with the taddest bit of bleach. It did tone down the pink a little bit because it was also very bright, but it kind of brought some of that white back into the sweatsuit. So as you guys are kind of doing this at home, I felt like that was at least worth mentioning, so you don't end up in the same position as me. But overall, I absolutely love it. Sweatsuits are totally my thing. It's what I gravitate towards. I like to be comfy, cute, all that stuff. If I make another one like this, let me know in the comment section below what other color combinations you might like to see. Maybe we can get really creative with this type of stuff. But I know this one was a pretty short video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let me know what other stuff you guys want to see. Maybe it's sweatsuits, maybe it's not. Anyway, remember to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in the next one.